Bharat Dynamics Bags 2,960 crore order from Ministry of Defence. Script code BDL 541143. Contract value, Rs 2,960 crore. Supply of medium-range surface-to-air missiles MRSAM for the Indian Navy. The stock is up 8.5% in the last 5 days. Overall, the stock has lost 17% in last 6 months. The current price is Rs 1,276 per share. The stock was priced at Rs 193 on March 23, 2018 on its listing date. The stock was offered in the price band of Rs 413 to Rs 428. The price reached its peak on July 5 at Rs 1,731 per share before reaching a low of Rs 935 in November 2024. One market cap is Rs 46,796 crores. 2 stock PE is 84.50. The stock is very expensively priced. The stock is trading at 12.5x its book value. 3 ROAS is 24.2% and ROE is 17.9%. 4 The growth of the company depends on the expansion and capex plans of the government. As long as policies remain consistent for the next few years, there will be growth in the business. 5 Shareholding of promoters, which is Government of India, is 75%, FIIs 3%, DIS 9% and public is 13%. AFIIs have a consistent share of 3%. B. The DIS have reduced their holding from 13.3% to 8.7% in the last 6 months. C. Public shareholding has increased from 8.6% to 13.26%, this has led to a volatility in the price of the stock, as possible drop in the value of the stock price. 6. The reserves in the last 7 years have grown steadily from Rs 1,773 in March 2018 crore to Rs 3,549 crore in September 2024. 7. The debtor days have increased from 27 to 38 days. 8. The inventory days have increased from 584 to 841 days. 9. Days payable have also increased from 142 to 325. 10. The working capital days have increased from 238 to 322 days. Bharat Dynamics BDL is a Government of India enterprise. It is engaged in the manufacturing of guided missiles and allied defense equipment. Key points: edit. Products offerings. The company manufactures and supplies guided missiles, underwater weapons, airborne products, and allied defense equipment for the Indian Armed Forces. It also provides product life cycle support for all equipment supplied, as well as refurbishment and life extension services for vintage missiles already in the Indian Armed Forces inventory. 1. Customer segments. Government of India, 81% in FY24 vs 68% in FY22. Exports, 7% in FY24 vs nil in FY22. Others, 12% in FY24 vs 32% in FY22-23. The company exports lightweight torpedoes, countermeasures dispensing systems, ATGM, and Akash weapon systems. It plans to open representative offices in foreign countries. 4. Order book. As of FY24, the company has a total order book of Rs 19,434 crore compared to Rs 10,170 crore as of FY22. Export orders account for 12% of the order book. It has an order pipeline of Rs 20,000 crore for the next 2 to 3 years. 5-6. Several orders like medium-range surface-to-air missiles, Invar ATGM, Helena, NAG, smart anti-airfield weapons, Grad rockets, and refurbishment orders are expected to be received in FY25. 7. Manufacturing units. The company has 3 manufacturing facilities located in Hyderabad, Banner, and Visakhapatnam. 8. Capex. The company is setting up additional manufacturing facilities at Ibrahimpatnam, Hyderabad, Amravati in Maharashtra, and Jhansi in UP, which will be used to manufacture SAMs including new generation missiles, VSHORADs rockets, and propellants for various ATGMs. 8. It plans to spend Rs 100 crore on capex in FY25. 9. Supply chain challenges. The geopolitical situation in Europe and the Middle East has disrupted the company's supply chain for critical input materials, leading to delays in receiving certain imported raw materials and components. This has slowed down order execution and contributed to a 16% revenue decline between FY22 and FY24. 10, 11, 12. Indigenization. The company is addressing supply chain issues by focusing on the indigenization of imports and converting executable orders into production. It is also collaborating with foreign FOEMs and leveraging diplomatic channels to resolve supply chain challenges and ensure uninterrupted production. 13. These efforts have resulted in the indigenization of 98 critical items that were previously imported, leading to significant foreign exchange savings. The company has achieved an average indigenization level of 80 to 90%, which has reduced import costs and strengthened its ability to offer competitively priced products to the Indian Armed Forces. 14. R&D. The company incurred an R&D expenditure of 3% of total revenues in FY24 compared to 2% in FY22. 15. The company is investing in R&D activities both internally and in collaboration with the DRDO for various development and production programs. It is also entering into agreements with foreign OEMs for manufacturing in India and joint development initiatives. 13. JV. In May 2024, the board approved an investment in a joint venture JV with Bharat Electronics Ltd., Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd., India Optal Ltd., and Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation Ltd. The JV will focus on developing defense testing infrastructure for electronic warfare systems. 16. Focus. The company has plans to venture into new verticals like guided bombs, drone-delivered payloads, warhead manufacturing, engines for cruise missiles, products for space applications, propellants, and rockets. 17.